Hello English learners, hope you all are fine. And our today's topic is the importance of time management. Okay, so like every day, I am just pick up one topic. I pick up one topic, and we are talking about that particular topic. This is called the extempore. Okay, so I have done the five topics, and today is the sixth topic. Okay, and we are going to do the 50 topics. Yes, so the importance of time management. Okay, so let's start about the time management. So time management is very important in our life. Yes, because if you are going to waste your time, you are not going to just return it back. So we have to use or spend our time very wisely. Okay, and this is a very crucial thing which everyone have only the same time. If there is one rich person or middle class person or any poor person, they all have only 24 hours a day. But who is going to waste his time and who is going to invest his time or utilize his time? It depends. Like if now I'm making the video, so you have the choices in time management. If you are going to manage, you are going to invest your time wisely, you are going to grow in your life. So let's take some examples. Like I have two choices, whether I can make the video or whether I can go outside to walk and enjoy, or I can just call to my friend and talk, or whether I can just scroll the phone or I can just sleep. I have many choices, but why I'm recording the video? Why I'm talking about the time management? Why I'm recording it? Because I have to use my time in a best way. I have to use my time in an amazing way. We don't have to just waste our time. We have to utilize our time. We have to use our time. This is the one thing. Like you have to choose where you are going to invest your time. It is very important, because the rich people or they just value the time. They don't have time. So we have to also value our time. If we are going to take care of our time, we are going to grow, we are going to learn something, we are going to grow in our life. So, and the second thing, like if you are going to focus on time and you are going to manage the time, you are going to increase your productivity. What do you understand by managing the time? Time management is simply like how you are going to manage your task, how you are going to utilize that time. So like everyone is doing, like they have the 12 hours, like they have to work 12 hours. So 2 hours I have to give for this specific task, and 1 hour I have to give for this specific task, and 2 hours I have to give there. So how you are going to manage your time, this is called the time management. How you are utilize, how productive you are, this is called time management. How you are managing your time, how you are managing your task, this is called time management. So this is very important, because we, if suppose we are just scrolling the video, we are just scrolling the phone, and our 3 hours 4 hours is has gone, we don't know, we didn't realize, like I have wasted my life's 4 hours. So we don't have to do it. The importance of time is like you have the gold. Yes, you have the gold, whether you can just use it or you can just waste it. It's in your hand. So this is very important parts of our life. We have to learn how to use the time. Just I would like to say, like we keep the value, understand the value of the time. Thanks for today. So this was my extempore. Okay, this was the topic which I talk about it, and if you think like I can speak better, so just pause the video and record yourself and just send me. I'm going to check. Okay, so thanks for today. Let's meet another video.